Okay, so in this lesson you will learn how to use Wireshark filters when the victim connects to your fake access point. So first off, you need to open Wireshark by typing Wireshark in the terminal. And here select Wireless Interface Double LAN 0 and press Start Capturing Packets. Okay, now let's switch to the victim machine and generate some traffic by going to an HTTP website and try to log in using test for the username and let me in for the password. And click the login button. Okay, so let's go back to the Kali machine and stop the capturing process by clicking the red button. And now the first filter which I like to use is DNS with the IP address. So I will type DNS and IP add R equal and put the victim IP address. This filter will show you which websites the victim is visiting and is useful when you want to perform a phishing attack. Okay, now the next filter is frame contains and put the word from the website. And for this example, I will use Bing. This will show you if users from your fake access point are visiting Bing website. And lastly, let's see how to locate the post packet which contains the login credentials. So I will type HTTP request method equal and in caps post. And click on the HTML form. And here you can see the username and the password. So, thanks for watching and I will see you next time.